welcome. My name is Vincent. I'm the founder of Chipper, a digital marketing agency that helps ECOM brands scale to 6 and 7 figures a month. Instead of promising you a lot of things in a VSL and just saying things that we can improve your performance drastically, I would rather show you how we can actually do this by a case study of a client of ours that started the beginning of this month. And as you can read the title, we already scaled him to 41K in just 12 days. Let's jump right in. So first and foremost, as you can see, when they came to us, they were doing around 24K a month. And just in 12 days, we scaled him to 41K using our identity hooking system. Here's also, as you can see, the Shopify store. I think at the moment with this one, we're doing 80K from month to date. 84K, which is a really nice figure. So we're only 21 days in the month. But basically, I'll showcase you how we did this and how we've done this for other brands as well. Big brands such as Fujifilm, but also other brands such as Valdo, Lagshot, Hunting Europe, Pound Nutrition, Le Pain Quotidien, and many, many more. And hopefully we can add you to this portfolio as well. So basically the client background, the founder came to us after cycling through multiple agencies and none of them managed to scale his brand effectively. And just within 12 days of working with us and implementing our identity hooking system, we nearly doubled their monthly revenue and set a foundation to reach 7 figures a month next year. And of course, who is this brand? It's a US-based company that sells golf clubs. They're pretty cool because they're ranging from all ages, from babies to adults, and they have a unique position in the market by creating age-specific golf clubs that help golfers from all skill levels improve their golf game. And by offering a club a variety of ages, they actually make sure that they grow with their customer, starting from when they're a baby in their first swing to professional adult equipment. The first thing that we saw when they came to us, was the fact that they cycled through multiple agencies and none of them was able to scale them. They already had a lot of data. They had 3 years worth of data, multiple agency partnership, even an established product market fit because they already sold a lot in a strong product lineup. But of course they were stuck around 24K a month in revenue and they weren't able to break through that ceiling. So what we always do when a new client comes to us, we always do an audit, a really in-depth audit. And for this client, we saw 2 main things that were big problems. The first one was the marketing infrastructure. They had 12 competing campaigns, creating a huge audience overlap. They were using years old creatives. They were using the same creative and the same copy all over again every single year. And this actually reached to a lot of inefficiencies, limiting reach. And they also had multiple countries inside of one campaign, which is something we don't do or not even recommend. Also, another topic was the performance bottleneck. Their conversion rate was stuck between 0.5 to 1%. Normally, the industry average is around 2%. For our clients, it's between 5% and 7%. We also saw the high frequencies. So it's a combination of the years-old creatives, the inefficient interest targeting that created the high frequencies, and the poor campaign structure. 12 campaigns inside of one ad account is a lot. And then, of course, insufficient budget allocation. So basically, how did we solve this? We put our 4-step system, what we call the identity hooking system, in place. So first of all, we did an audit and built out a roadmap by just identifying a lot of main growth levers that we can pull. So for this one was the account consolidation because the audience was overlapping. A lot of creative testing just to bump up the performance. Also country segmentation required for cleaner data because a worldwide campaign with all countries in doesn't work. And then also a new website, basically a complete overhaul of their website. So after the audit and seeing what really works, what doesn't work, we started the account consolidation and the optimization. We reduced the 12 campaigns to 4 regional campaigns, so country specific, which was US, Canada, Australia, and UK. We also created segmentation by product category. We implemented the broad targeting that is based on our identity hooking system to really replace the inefficient interest targeting and high frequencies, and we launched a worldwide campaign that was still split up between Asia and Europe. Then we started implementing the identity hooking system into place based on the 3 years worth of data. We identified the winning creatives and copies. We started developing new targeted content for the specific audience that we found during our research process, and we created a system that crunches out new creative batches every single week, which has rigorous testing protocols. Basically, we do this for every single client because it's the power right now with Meta creating high converting ads, and that's exactly what we do. And then the fourth step is of course the optimization based on the data. So we eliminated the audience overlap, we reduced the ad fatigue, and improved the targeting, all because we implement identity hooking system inside of the ads while maintaining a 3x ROAS throughout just scaling. And the result was just that we went from $24K to $41,641.90 in just 12 days, which is a 73% increase while maintaining a 3x ROAS across the board. Then also I just want to showcase you how we actually will get them to 7 figures, and these are steps that we take for other clients as well. The product bundle introduction, right? So creating bundles of the full club sets that will increase the AOV, which also optimizes the shipping economics. We introduced tier pricing structures, so the decoy effect, right? The thing that happens in cinemas. You have the small popcorn, medium, and the large one. The medium and the large one, the price difference is super small, so people automatically opting towards the larger popcorn, which increases the AOV. And also we'll be adding additional products such as balls, gloves, towels, or even protective cases. The second thing what we'll be doing is really optimizing their website so that we increase their conversion rate, which is at the moment 1.9 to 5 or 7% conversion rate, and that will project a revenue increase of 3 to 4x revenue. So it's actually a big difference. It can be a difference from 50K a month to 150K or even 200K a month. The third thing, which is also the identity hooking part, is really scaling up the content by implementing a good UGC content creation strategy. We'll be diversing the creative assets with different genders, different people that play golf to really appeal to a lot of people, and then scaling ads that are winning, killing them if they're not winning, and just continuously creating new batches every single week. And then for revenue optimization, we'll be implementing strategic upsells as well as a free shipping threshold. So for example, if you spend X amount of dollars, you get free shipping, and also just like extra products. With these things, we'll be able to scale them to 7 figures, and I think that we can do this for your brand as well if you're interested. We've done this for multiple brands. This brand, for example, scaled to 73K, another one to 45K, another one which is in the hunting niche to 70K a month, a clothing brand to 30.5K, and then this one is my favorite one. We scaled them to 500K a month. If you want to achieve some similar results, just let's talk about it. Book a call with me in a link below, and we'll just chat about the identity hooking system, how we can help you get to 6 or 7 figures, and I'll see you in the call.